Hello, I am Miss Jones and welcome to 8th grade art. I wanted to start the course with a quick video for anyone who could be working remotely or maybe is currently quarantining, just to kind of help get you started and help you navigate a little bit within this course. This is going to be for quarter 3, and whether you are in my E block class or my F block, the information is going to be mostly the same for you. So when you open up class pages and you come to the 8th grade section, the first thing that you're going to see right here is our classroom syllabi. And basically this course is designed for you to sort of get the flavor of some different things within the art realm. A quarter is not a lot of time, but we're going to squish in as much as we can. And I just wanted to draw your attention to my contact information right up here, specifically my email, which you can email me at any time, or you can use Unified Classroom's messages. Either way will work. I try to get back to students as quickly as I can. And you'll also notice on the syllabi that there are some course competencies. We look at creating, we look at presenting, responding, and connecting when we are working on different projects in this course. All of our projects are tied to those. And of course, we also do have the Crusader competencies: preparedness, resiliency, participation, and respect. The objectives for you as a student are to maintain your portfolio. I'm going to be giving you a portfolio and materials. If you are working remotely, you will want to come and pick that up. It's right in the front of the school in the vestibule. For projects, it is kind of helpful at the middle school level to have sketches created for projects. So you'll have a sketchbook for idea development. I do ask that you use your work time efficiently. Do your best work, which is good craftsmanship. Discuss personal artwork and artwork of others safely and supportively. We'll work on that together. And explore and apply the elements of art and principles of design. And we'll go over those. I do expect students to arrive to class on time. If you are working remotely, I do not have live Zoom sessions, so we will meet on Wednesdays. If you are in my E block, it will be at 9:25, and if you're in my F block, you will be at 9:50. We'll meet on Wednesdays and kind of discuss where you're at, what's happening, questions, what's coming up, those kinds of things. Everyone, I do want you to use art making materials carefully and responsibly. Listen to observed instructions, take notes, and ask questions as needed. Also comply with Littleton High School rules and studio rules to make sure that we're all safe. Cell phones, I would say leave them in your lockers. Don't even bring them to class. You can use your Chromebooks if you need to, but for the most part, I don't think you'll need them because I'm going to have everything here for you. Key terms and concepts, elements of art, principles of design. We'll use these and we'll talk about them. As far as units of instruction, I have ideas and projects for you guys, but because it's only a quarter, we're going to try to figure that out together. I'll have different kinds of supplemental materials for you and include any videos or video clips as needed. Now, you probably know this from your other classes since you're all 8th graders, but there are two kinds of assessments. There are your formative assessments, which are worth 30% of your grade, and summative assessments, which are 70%. For the most part, every project you do in here for me is going to be a summative assessment. So it's always best to put your best foot forward and do as much as you possibly can to ensure that you're doing the best work possible. And of course, the course competency scale right here, you're all familiar with too, I imagine. Okay? Now, to find out what you're doing weekly, if you move up here, this says Welcome E block, but for my F block class, it will say Welcome F block. The 8th grade student art schedule is going to be the same for both of my classes. So every week, I am going to put up a new schedule, and you'll see right here that if you are working in class, you're going to have essentially the same kind of thing that you're going to be doing if you're a remote student. So whether you are working remotely or you're being asked to quarantine, you want to tune in every day, see what's on tap, and see what you need to work on. At the end of the day, I will have a little video for like a day end roundup in case you're just randomly absent one day and you need to find out what we're doing. You can always look at that. There's not going to be a ton of online work for you. It's really going to be in class. I don't really assign homework. So everything that you're doing, you're really doing in class for me. but this schedule will help keep you on track. And also for remote students, I will probably be putting up videos and projects so that you can help follow along a little bit easier and understand what we're doing. Okay, so at any point you have any questions, you can email me or message me on Unified, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. All right, I'll see you soon.